Well, that is quite the inspiration this morning. Yeah. Well, Roxy, I have to ask you, you said earlier it's an extra deodorant kind of day. I hope you weren't referring to your coworkers.
I mean that.
I hope it wasn't a hint.
Specifically to some, I'm just kidding, no. But yeah, you're going to be sweating a lot for today. So it's going to be another hot and humid day. It's a little hazy today as well. And then we're tracking some rain pretty soon. So if you want some rain, it's going to come pretty quickly. But as far as things right now, well, I did want to talk about the rainfall totals. So we saw a lot of rain these past couple weeks. So let's talk about those rainfall totals. We're actually doing not too bad. So far in 2025, we've seen 11.5 inches of rain, which is only 2 inches behind the normal, which is not too bad because that's where we were at last year. We were only an inch ahead. And 2022 was a day that we were really in a drought. We only saw 4.5 inches of rain the entire year. So we were really behind in 2022. So I don't think we're doing too bad for 2025. But as far as our skies this morning, it's really hazy out there, hot and humid. We're already close to those 80 degrees and it's barely 7 a.m. We're a lot cooler in the hill country, already at 80 in Del Rio, 79 in Eagle Pass. But your forecast high for today, triple digits, 100 degrees for today. And it's going to feel hotter than that because of the humidity. So we are under weather impact alert Sunday through Wednesday due to the hot and humid weather, and our heat index is going to be 105 to 108. So that's how hot it could feel like in some areas. So make sure you're drinking your water, you're staying cool, staying in the shade, and yes, cranking up the AC, and of course wear light colored clothing. It really does help a lot. Now as far as your Sunday, it's going to be a lot like yesterday. So a little cloudy in the morning, sunny in the afternoon, reaching the triple digits by 4 o'clock. Here's your melting forecast. If you do anything today, just expect your ice cream to melt pretty fast. So try not to walk your dogs during the middle of the day either, and just avoid being outside if you can. Right on our radar, it's nice and quiet, not tracking any rain for today. We are tracking lots of storms though in the mid-south. So they're tracking some activity out there. However, we just have this high pressure system that's actually going to be moving away as that low pressure system moves in, and that's going to be pushing in some moisture. So it's still going to be pretty hot and humid. This low pressure system is only going to cool us down to low 90s, but it's going to bring some moisture. So we're going to be tracking some rain. But as far as today, our friends in Dallas are looking at a 4 out of 5 severe weather outlook. So our friends in Dallas not looking too good for tonight. Going to be seeing some severe storms out there. We're not tracking any rain for today, but as we head into Monday, we could start to see some activity. But it's mostly going to be Tuesday through Thursday and then Friday as well. So Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be our rainiest days this week. So here's a look at your 14-day forecast. Weather impact alert in effect up until Wednesday. We've got 40% chance of rain, 30% on Thursday, 20% on Friday. We'll clear out just in time over the weekend. Vanessa?
All right, Roxy, there's a big spider. I might have to.
Same.
Oh, already have the heebie-jeebies thinking about it. Did you see the big scorpion?
It's like Bugs Life, like the movie. It's like nostalgia.
Oh, yes.
Cool.
Oh, gosh, no.
Well, I love the zoo here, I gotta say.
It's fabulous,
I've seen parts of it, but it's so cool.
We love our zoo.
Yeah. Well, if you are gonna head out there, make sure you're drinking lots of water, wearing sunscreen, maybe wear one of those sun visors. Those really help. But yeah, it's gonna be a hot and humid day today, guys. A lot like yesterday, cloudy in the morning and then sunny in the afternoon. And we're gonna be tracking rain chances pretty soon as well. So I wanna talk about those rainfall totals first. So we're actually not doing too bad. We really got to catch up due to that rain we saw last week. So far in 2025, we've seen 11.5 inches of rain, which is only 2 inches behind normal, which is only last year we saw 1 inch behind normal this time of year. And then 2023, we saw 12.7 inches of rain. But check out 2022, we had only seen 4.5 inches of rain. So at least we're not that behind like 2022. But as far as things right now, we've got those hazy skies. It's not fogginess, it's just haziness due to humidity, and it's really warm. 78 degrees is where we're at. Yes, it's another hot and humid day. We're a lot cooler in the hill country and already 80 degrees in Del Rio. So your forecast high for today, triple digits, 100 degrees. It's a large iced cup of coffee kind of day because it's actually going to feel like 105, maybe even 108 due to the humidity. That's why we've got that weather impact alert in effect today through Wednesday due to the hot and humid weather. So make sure you're drinking your water, staying cool, especially go to the zoo out there. but make sure to bring a fan if you're not going to be inside, but definitely crank up the AC if you are inside. So it's going to be a hot day. We will be cloudy in the morning, but lots of sunshine in the afternoon. So a lot like yesterday. But if you are going to be doing anything in the middle of the day, just expect your ice cream to melt right away. It's just going to be really hot, and make sure you're not walking your pets in the middle of the day as well. But let's talk about your radars. So not tracking any rain chances for today. There is some severe weather in the mid-south, but our friends in Dallas are going to be seeing some severe weather for today. Category 4 out of 5 in our severe weather outlook. So that's pretty extreme. So check on your friends in Dallas for tonight. But as far as today, not tracking any rain. As we head into Monday and Tuesday, we'll start to see those rain chances. We still have this high pressure system that's kind of moving that low pressure system up, but once it starts to move away, we'll see that moisture kick in. So this low pressure system is only going to cool us down to low 80s, but it's really going to bring in that moisture. So we're tracking rain chances Tuesday through Thursday. So lots more rain headed our way. But here's a look at your 4-change-day forecast. So we've got rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll clear out just in time for the weekend. Mid-90s next week. Vanessa?
All right, Roxy.